This is the remarkable journey of the avocado fruit, transforming from a simple tropical crop into a golden, healthy, culinary essential.
Avocado oil, step by step.
Avocado oil shines naturally.
Avocado farming starts production. Avocado grows under protection. Avocado maturity defines yield. Every step follows precision. Ideal conditions shape quality. Quality starts with patience. Balanced growth protects the fruit.
Harvesting demands careful hands.
Protection prevents early damage.
Early sorting ensures consistency.
Heat control preserves freshness. Fast transport protects quality. Cooling slows natural ripening.
Temperature control is essential.
Time matters after harvest. Processing begins at arrival.
Clean handling is mandatory.
Each batch is digitally tracked. Machines handle fruit gently. Inspection starts immediately. Every fruit is visible. Trained eyes spot defects.
Technology assists precision.
Only the best continue.
Safety standards guide operations.
Workers protect. Clean workers protect quality.
Precision fills the facility. Flow control improves efficiency.
Production is carefully managed.
Safety systems stay active.
Clean air protects processing. Cleaning comes next. Avocados are washed thoroughly. Every avocado gets clean.
Fruit moves up for processing.
Rinse leaves, no residue.
Smooth flow keeps fruit safe. Seeds are separated cleanly. Seeds are diverted carefully.
Flesh is prepared for grinding.
Avocados become a smooth paste.
Paste is creamy and consistent.
Machines are checked carefully.
Efficiency protects avocado quality. Separation keeps product pure.
Tracking maximizes efficiency.
Sanitation keeps oil safe.
Paste is ready for extraction. Malaxers mix gently. Gentle kneading brings oil out.
Temperature preserves freshness. Oil begins to separate naturally.
Samples confirm readiness.
Timing maximizes quality. Solids are separated cleanly.
Pomace is removed safely.
Mixture moves to final separation.
Pressure safeguards avocado oil.
pH checks, verify efficiency.
Multiple tanks ensure consistency.
Gentle churning preserves oil. Gentle churning. Disc stack separates oil efficiently.
Emulsion feeds into centrifuge. Feeds into centrifuge. Oil separates cleanly from water.
Pure avocado oil is ready.
Quality is visually inspected.
Speed ensures perfect separation. Oil is gently filtered. Filtration enhances clarity. Oil is stored safely.
Taste and aroma are checked.
Filtration remains sterile.
Clarity is electronically monitored.
Nitrogen keeps oil fresh.
Flow is digitally tracked.
Tanks protect oil purity.
Color is carefully verified.
Acid value ensures quality. Fatty acids are analyzed.
Approval confirms premium quality.
Metrics guarantee consistency.
Oil moves to bottling. Bottles are prepared for oil. Precision filling locks in quality. Nitrogen preserves freshness. Seals lock in purity.
Caps are carefully checked.
Labels highlight premium oil.
Batch codes ensure traceability.
Bottles are safely packed.
Cases are securely sealed. Robots stack pallets precisely. Shrink wrap secures pallets.
Inventory is digitally tracked.
Avocado oil reaches kitchens.
Oil blends smoothly in batter.
Moist, tender cake slices.
Oil adds vibrant flavor.
Oil enriches desserts.
Tanks are thoroughly cleaned.
Water is recycled responsibly.
Taste test confirms quality.
Spouts ensure easy pouring.
Teamwork ensures success.
Bottles are sterilized fully.
From tree to bottle, complete.